Friends, we will see how I behaved in the market today. So this stock opened here at the level of 3125. This 3115 was yesterday's high. Actually it opened just above that and then retested yesterday's high and took a green candle. So this entry was also possible, but this would have been very aggressive entry, so I did not take this trade. I took the trade. I allowed this stock to go up. So this red line is the resistance which is given by my indicator 3149, and it broke the resistance and came back to test the VWAP and closed above the resistance. At this point the RSI has cooled down, and so it was actually confirming that it was a retest. And then I have added another. I just close this Kilega Milega indicator and I added 20 SMA simple moving average. Simple moving average. Oh, not this simple moving average I have added. Yes, this one. And this setting I changed to 20. Simple moving average 20. So since I don't have a paid version of TradingView, I have to toggle between these indicators. I can use only two indicators. So one is this one which I prepared, option selling 44 EMA, VWAP, Super Trend, RSI and Camarilla. And then another is that Hilega Milega indicator I use for RSI. But then I have to close whenever I have to put this simple moving average 20, SMA 20, I have to close any one of these indicator. So this time I have closed that RSI indicator because anyway it was showing buy signal only. So this was a confirmation. The price came back and retested 20 SMA, VWAP and closed above the resistance level given by the indicator. So here I took the trade and I took, as usual, I took with a 10 point stop loss. I took 18 points, just 18 points only. I am really scared to take more than 18 points because I don't know, sometimes I feel like if the market turns below. See, I was always looking at this selling candle. This selling candle was at 3169. So if the market was turning back, then I would not even get 18 points. Yeah, just 16.45 or 17.5 points only I would get. So that was my fear. But anyway, I moved the stop loss little bit when this candle and this red candle was formed. I moved the stop loss from 10 points to 6 points and I was holding till 18 points and then I exited. After that I didn't take any trade. So I feel whenever I trade this stock I feel very peaceful, much more peaceful than the what when I have been trading Nifty and Sensex. That was very, the prices will move very fast. Today I saw that Sensex moved, I saw that Sensex moved very fast during the last hour. But even if it is moving like that, I was not able to catch all the points there. So then what is the point? So it is better to go for something which can be done more peacefully. So that's why I stopped option selling, because that will not match my level of mental status. So this is more peaceful. So I am trading with only small quantity. One day I will increase the quantity. Let me see for how long I am able to hold this trade, accept the small gains and accept the small losses. I am preparing my mind for that. My mind should get trained. That is extremely important. Before putting large amounts of money, my mind should get trained for this. So slowly I will be able to recover all the losses which I have made. So what is the next trade possible? So here there was RSI was coming down and it even came down to 33. Now if you see these two levels, actually here we can appreciate a RSI divergence. You see the price was almost at the same level, but you see the RSI was showing divergence. RSI was low. I did not take this trade. I'm just telling now. So see here also I could have gotten with the 10 point stop loss. I could have gotten some 18 points easily. Yes, some 18 points easily I could have gotten, but I didn't trade this. But this RSI divergence is also very, very strong way of finding trades. Okay, so hopefully one day I will be able to be doing this repetitive action, consistency, with consistency, trading only stocks and accepting small profits, small losses, and then now I am trading only with 20 quantity. So let me see, I want to trade like this for some more time, because even now I get the urge to go back to option and recover all the losses, where I will be making more losses. So I don't want to do that. I want to train my mind, and then slowly, it's not that I don't identify the setup, it's not that I don't know. Now by this much time I can understand how the market works. Almost nobody understands it fully, but I can understand it somewhat. But still, if I am making losses, that is because of that compulsive trading and kind of addiction to that kind of option trading. So I want to get over that and come back to this level of small profit, small loss, and let me do it for some time, then I will increase the quantity. So thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your day went.